Yeah, hello guys. This is Tech on my phone clinic. We have a broken flex here, a broken screen flex. This is a children tab. Due to wear and tear, you can see what happened. So for us to correct the issue, we have to make a connection between the other tracks and the other one for it to be connected, which we call jumper setting. So with the first track we soldered previously, we'll be doing the same thing to all the old tracks that is broken. We have about 30 something tracks that is connecting the screen, because the screen wasn't showing at all because of the tracks was having issue. So you can see, fast forward, you can see all our tracks is being soldered. So we are doing the necessary cleaning on the flex. So after the necessary cleaning, the next thing for us to do is for us to use the solder max, but I don't have the solder max, so we'll be using the black gum and our paper tape in place of our solder max. Hope you can see. So I've done the gumming. So your black paste and your paper tape would be advisable if you don't have solder max. So now we'll be doing the connection. So fast forward, our tab is on. It was showing white screen before. So guys, it's working properly. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Tech on my phone clinic. Guys, thank you for watching.